Well, it's that time of year again. It's the middle of July, it's 100 degrees, and it's in the south. And I'm finally getting around to cleaning my concrete walkways and sidewalk. So today I'm going to review and clean my walkways using the Westinghouse WPX3400 gas pressure washer and the Briggs and Stratton model 6328 14-inch rotating surface cleaner. The WPX3400 is powered by a 3.5 horsepower 212cc 4-cycle heavy-duty Westinghouse engine. And the cool thing about it, two features I really like, it has a, let me zoom in here if I can, you'll see it has a fuel cutoff valve here and also a manual choke, so it's easier to start cold engines or restart warm engines. The package includes 4 sprayer tips, I'll show them here, 4 sprayer tips, and then a soap dispenser tip, and it includes a 25-foot high pressure hose, of course your wand, and it's detachable wand so you can get extensions on it, and it comes with oil, so all you need to do is add oil and then add gas and you're ready to go. It's a pretty cool product. The Briggs and Stratton, it's their model 6328. It's a 14-inch rotating surface cleaner. It's rated to work with pressure washers between 2200 and 3400 psi. The cool thing about it, number one, it's a quick connect, so you just snap it on the end of your wand here. But it has 2, I don't know if you can see this, but 2 nozzles built in, so as it rotates, you don't get those streaks you get if you use just a regular single tip that you're going back and forth with. It's made out of heavy-duty plastic, and I think it's a pretty good investment. Okay. we'll just do a walkthrough after. Pressure washing the front walkway with the Briggs and Stratton 14-inch pressure washer. And you can see how good and clean it looks as you transition over here. And then we'll transition to the left. You can definitely see where I left it off. Then I cleaned the front of the concrete on the street. I think it turned out pretty good. Well, the heat didn't kill me totally. And I think if you look up here, or you look right there, you'll see the after pictures. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. And I hope something good happens to you today. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.